Mastering by heart. What does it mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an English phrase that you might have heard before, by heart. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in sentences. By heart is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they know something by heart, it means they have memorized it thoroughly. They can recall it without needing to look it up or refer to any notes. Imagine knowing a song so well that you can sing it without looking at the lyrics. That's knowing it by heart. Though the exact origin of by heart is hard to pinpoint, the heart has often been associated with feelings, emotions, and memory in various cultures. The idea is that when you know something by heart, it's deeply ingrained in you, not just in your mind, but in your very being. To get a clearer understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. I've read that poem so many times, I know it by heart. 2. She practiced her speech and now knows it by heart. 3. If you review these formulas daily, soon you'll know them by heart. These examples show how the phrase is often used to emphasize thorough memorization, especially when preparing for presentations, tests, or performances. It's worth noting that by heart doesn't necessarily imply understanding. For instance, someone might know a song's lyrics by heart but not understand the meaning behind them. So, while the phrase emphasizes memorization, it doesn't always mean comprehension. And there you have it. The phrase, by heart, is a beautiful way of saying that you've deeply memorized something. We hope this lesson helps you in your English learning journey. Remember, it's not just about knowing the language by heart, but understanding its nuances. Happy learning!